Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. So once again we are back with another interesting topic in Python programming. So today's topic is going to be on Lambda. So without further delay, let's jump into our code. What is the output of the following code? So I'll just type the code, you just stay tuned. So R, that would be equals to lambda of q, which is q into 2, and yes, that would be equals to lambda of q, which is also q into 3, and another variable name, that is x, which would be equals to 2, and x, that would be equals to r of x, and x, that would be equals to s of x, and once again x, that would be equals to r of x. And I want to print the value of x, so print x, or else value of x is x. So this is a code. You just try to figure out a proper output. I'll give you 5 seconds, just pause the video and figure out a proper output. It's 3, 2, 1 and go. I'm running the code. Value of x is 4, right? So before explaining the code, I would like to explain the terminology here. That is lambda. So I would like to explain you in this in a practical manner. So generally what people do to create a function, they'll define it, right? So let us define a small operational function, that is definition of sum. It's just a sum of two numbers of variable a, and what comes after this, body, right? Body of the code, body, then return. The thing I would like to convey you here is, for such a small operations like addition of two numbers, just sum of two numbers. For sum of two numbers itself, we are writing the 3 lines of code here. So instead of writing 3 lines of code for just a small operation, we can write lambda here. So the thing I want to say is, lambda is an anomalous function which has no name, but it is useful in creating a code which would be not more than 1 line. So lambda is a function which is used to create a function which would be in 1 line itself. For example, take it here itself, q into 2, right? For now, without lambda function, how you guys gonna define it? You need to write definition, multiplication of a variable, then you need to write body, and then you need to return the value. So instead of such large steps, you can just write a lambda variable, and that variable would be equal to q into 2. That's it, right? So it is such a simple code here, but keep in mind that lambda can not be used in multi-statement codes. I mean to say that lambda is a short one, so it cannot be used in a multi-statement code. So multi-statement codes, like if you would like to define a function like factorial, you just do define factorial of a number n, in which variable that would be equal to 0 initially, and one more fact that would be equals to 1 at first. So for such a large function, lambda is not going to be applied. Lambda takes only one sentence. It is very short one, but it would be very useful for the short operations like addition, multiplication or subtraction, whatever it may be. So lambda cannot be used in the multi-statement codes. And when it comes to our code, I'll explain you this in a notepad. Just give me a second. So initially, what is the value of x here? X is equals to 2, right? Here x is equals to 2, but when it comes to here, r of x, so r, so let us assume here x, that would be equals to 2 into 2, right, which would be equals to 4. So now x value is 4. Okay, when comes to here, so generally x is 4, right? So s of 4, that is 4 into 3. X is equals to 4 into 3, which would be equals to 12, right? So now x value is 12. But when it goes to x is equals to r of x, once again it is returning to here, right? So x that would be equals to 12 into 2. So x is equals to 24, which is our answer. Which is our output. So I hope you understand this code. Once again I'll explain what is lambda. So generally lambda is a thing which is applied for the short operations instead of defining it. Instead of defining small operations like addition of two numbers or multiplication of two numbers, addition, multiplication, subtraction or division, for small operations lambda is used here. But remember that lambda is not applicable for the large definition of functions. So that's it for this video, guys, and let's meet in another video. Thank you.